Hai, nama saya Nasrul Syafiqah binti Syari di KA20F234 bersama 3 rakan saya, Karin Bakis di KA20F236, Syed Denya Haiman di KA20F2008 dan Muhammad Zairi Hafizi di KA20F2019. Okey, saya akan mulakan sedikit saya dengan elevator problem and solution. Okay, we're going to meaning of elevator. Elevator also called lift, car that move in a vertical shaft to carry passenger of freight between the level of a multi-story building. Most modern elevator are properly by electric motors with the air and the control weight to a system and cable and shaft pullers. A common problem with elevator is cracked panel, especially if the elevator is made of glass or steel. This can be caused by something as simple as a heavy object falling on it to egg-related wear and tear. If you experience this problem, what you can do is try to prevent anyone from hitting the panel again. You can also install safety shield which are attached to existing panel before they become a problem. If you do not want to go this route, then what you will need is for the maintenance crew to replace or repair this by making sure that nothing fall on or near the elevator door. Door getting stuck is another common problem with elevator. This can be caused by several things, such as something getting jammed in the door or door is not closed properly. If you experience this problem, please do not try to force the door open. I remind you again, please do not try to force the door open. Instead, you can wait for maintenance crew arrive and fix the problem. You can prevent this problem by making sure that adhering to the schedule of maintenance. When nothing in the way, the door should close properly without any problem. Wrong shovel place extra weight on rope, which is turn increase the level of weight on shift. This creates a circle of degradation of both key components. Shavers can be removed or replaced by premature hoist root playfoot. So be sure to check groove profile or to verify the fit between the rope and the ship. Simple tools are available with magnetic, standard, and a straight edge to visual check it the cover on the ship wearing eventually. Another common problem is power failure. Elevator demands a great deal of power from commercial building utility system. So update to the system, voltage can affect motor operation or potentially even damage the elevator system. Elevator with any history of motor failure or operation issue should undergo a power quality survey. In fact, the more graphic measure drastic temperature change and can be identified possibly trouble spot before they cause costly system failure. Common faults such as over or under voltage can be seen easily with a power quality survey. As few as they are running hot can be quietly seen with interval imaging before a motor lose a fix. The last one of common problem with elevator is contaminations. Where a crude small matter properly are realized in the oil and can affect with the proper function of elevator system. Similarly, improper lubricant or windshield can cause contaminations. Conduct an oil analysis to check the oil for various property that may indicate content to wear instead of the motor. A high percent of bonds in the gear case oil can indicate premature wear on the crown, where a great elevator or high concentrations of aluminum it can be hydraulic tank may indicate pump housing wear and the hydraulic elevator. Okay, we go to second question is studies show lift escalator accident due to poor maintenance, wrongful misuse and vandalism. Okay, so we're going to presentation outline. We have introduction, example, relate to current issue, and my own opinion. As what I explained before, elevator also called lift, car that move in a vertical shaft to carry passenger or freight between the level of multi-building. Most modern elevators are properly by electric motor which they add and control weight through a system and cable and shift. As we can see here, most of the country have problem with elevator. And recently is from Mumbai, India, a 47 years old man was severely injured in an elevator of housing structure in Bevere, Mumbai. He died due to injury on 11 October 2022. In Malaysia, Malaysian man 18 years old died after falling into lift shaft. CCTV catch the tragic last moment. Okay, this one is what I can relate to the issue is because of the stock door, the door is not closed properly when the man pull out the box and he not see the bag is not closed, so he not properly uh, properly see the step and he falling down backwards. In my opinion is make sure to maintain it every 6 months. This is for the maintenance crew, and for us the user, please make sure to aware our circle. We are never expect to anything happen because sometimes it happen with our standby, with not that can be expected. So please make sure to aware where you go, where you been, and please be safe.
Apa yang saya akan bincangkan ialah tentang kesan gas penyamai udara kepada pemanasan global dan produk berhawa dingin mesra alam. Pemanasan global bermaksud pemanasan global ataupun kesan-kesan menghijau. Pemanasan global ini adalah fenomena meningkat suhu purata atmosfera, tanah bumi, lautan secara keseluruhan. Suhu bumi yang meningkat sebanyak 2 darjah, kawasan yang tidak ada hutan akan lebih panas daripada kawasan yang gas yang terdapat di dalam pemanasan global: karbon dioksida, nitrogen, nitrooksida, metana dan gas lain. Gas ini seperti manusia yang membantu bumi untuk merangkak haba daripada sinar matahari. Suhu bumi akan meningkat dan perubahan iklim akan berlaku secara mendadak. Punca yang dilakukan gas menghijau ini peningkatan suhu bumi dan lapisan-lapisan ozon. Pemanasan global berlaku ini disebabkan penugasan gas karbon dioksida dan berkumpul di udara. Sinaran langsung cahaya matahari menyebabkan kanser kulit mengganggu ekosistem bumi. Banjir yang kerap berlaku, kejadian semula jadi yang tidak normal disebabkan lapisan ozon sekarang. Ini contoh bahawa ini evolve menawan kompresor mesra bumi dan sekaligus dia mengurangkan pembebasan udara kering.
Type of air conditioning. First is window air conditioning. This used to be a very common choice for controlling the temperature in a small room, and they contain the compressor, condenser, coil and the evaporator all in one single unit. Window air conditioners are designed to fit into the window of a room, so they generally don't need any significant home modification for installing. Next is portable air conditioner. Portable air conditioners are relatively easy to move, but not as much as their name implies. Think easier to move houses with rather than easy to lug around your home for your daily cooling needs. When compared to other units, they are definitely more portable. However, they do need to be installed. Next is wall hung split or multi-head split air conditioners. Alright, these ductless systems are quite common in modern homes. They are referred to as split system because they consist of two units, one kept inside your home and one outside. They can be used to cool or heat single areas, or multi-zone system can be installed. They have one compressor outside, and with a several indoor unit conditioning the air in various parts of your home. Next is ducted air conditioning. Ducted air conditioning, also known as central air conditioning, and can be the most efficient in many situations. A ducted system involves a large compressor on the outside of the building and internal evaporative units and ducts that bring conditioned air to various rooms through vents. A ducted system will require some significant modification to your home and tends to have a high. Last but not least, air conditioner for a diverse range of situations. There are several major types of air conditioner that each have use in different situations. While ducted air conditioning may be the most efficient choice overall, it will not be suitable for someone who just want to cool down or warm up a single room. If you are in the market for an air conditioner, it is best to figure out your basic needs and what feature you will like. Then see which type would be the best for your individual situation. 10 common air conditioning problems and how to fix it. Alright, first one is water leak inside the house. The reason for water leak from an air conditioner might be that the condensate of the system get clogged up due to algae or fungi and causes the water to back up the pipe and into your home. And the solution is the clogged condenser pipe can be unclogged using a wet or dry vacuum, or you can also put 6 ounces of vinegar in the drain line to kill fungi or algae build up. The exact location of the drain pipe within your unit may be worry, so consult the user manual beforehand. Next is water leak outside the house. On hot summery day, you might witness a puddle of water outside the house, right under the compressor of your air conditioner. This could be because of several reasons: a dry air filter broken, condenser fan, bad AC seal, improper installation. So the solution, after diagnosing this AC issue, the first thing you should do is turn off your air conditioner and disconnect the power supply. Things can get tricky if this problem is not taken care of timely. For such a type of air conditioner problem, you might need to call a professional technician to repair this problem. Alright, next is AC refrigerant leak. A refrigerant leak is one of the common AC unit problems and can reduce your air conditioning efficiency. Moreover, leaks can also be harmful to the immediate environment. So the solution for this problem is you need to top up the refrigerant and apply a minor fix. In the case of a larger fault within the pipes, the whole network might need to be changed. Next is dirty air filter. A clogged air filter restricts the airflow, decreasing the efficiency of your air conditioning system. So a dirty filter also reduces the ability of the system to cool the air effectively. So the solution is you need to check the air filter and try to cleaning it, since it probably that dirty air filter restricting the airflow. You should clean your filter every 2 weeks and change your air filter every 2 months during peak season when AC is used most of the time. Next is damaged compressor. One of the integral AC component is the compressor, which have refrigerants, carry out heat exchange and regulates the AC pressure. Dirty coil change in refrigerant level and lets off. So the solution is you need to contact your local air conditioning service to solve this common AC problem. If there is severe damage, it is better to replace the compressor instead of performing air conditioning. Next is frozen evaporator coil. The dirt accumulated on the coil restricts the airflow and warm air does not reach the refrigerants. In this case, the refrigerants become too cold and any moisture on the coil freezes. So the solution is to diagnose this problem. First, inspect the damage, then let the evaporator coil to defrost. This can be done by not using the unit. Be sure to disconnect the power first, and the evaporator coil usually takes 24 hours to thaw completely. Alright, next, number 7 is capacitor failure. In the extreme summer heat, when your AC has to work hard, the capacitor can overheat. Also, power fluctuation and frequent change in the thermostat setting can damage your capacitor. So, the solution for this problem is you need to contact a professional to get your capacitor checked. Unfortunately, you cannot repair or replace it on your own, as there is a risk of an electric shock. Next is thermostat multifunctioning. There might be a serious issue due to dust and corrosion build-up, or a simple case of dead batteries. Loose screws or wire inside the thermostat can also affect its functioning. If you have placed your thermostat where it gets direct sunlight, it can also impact its reading. Another reason that your thermostat is not working can be due to incorrect calibration. So the solution is you need to check if the battery are working fine. To solve the build-up, remove the cover and take a soft brush to clean up any dirt. The second last is AC smells bad. A gas smell indicates leakage of methyl mercaptan, which can be dangerous. If you turn off the AC after a while, you may notice a rotten egg smell coming from the unit. Birds and insects can get into your system and die, causing this wet smell. So the solution for this problem is you need to thoroughly clean your air conditioning when taking it out after a dormant period for electrical issues and gas leakage issue, and you need to call a professional for repair. And last but not least is electrical failure. A disruption in the connection due to corrosion of wire of the terminal can prevent the compressor and motor from turning on. Power surges can also result in electrical failure. So the solution is you need to determine the air conditioning unit problem and check the electrical connect, and if you cannot resolve the issue, seek a professional help. And that's all from me. Thank you very much.
Maintenance plans. Maintenance is an activity carried out to conserve, maintain, operate and regulate buildings, facility, equipment, service and the environment. Yang mana penjagaan adalah aktiviti yang dilaksanakan untuk memelihara, menjaga, mengendali dan mengawasi bangunan, kemudahan, kelengkapan perkhidmatan dan persekitarannya. Purpose maintenance. First, ensure that the asset work continuously and safely in use. Second, save the company's work. Third, preserve and extend the life of the machine. Yang mana pertama ialah memastikan aset berfungsi dengan lancar secara berterusan dan selamat digunakan. Kedua, memelihara dan memanjangkan jangka hayat mesin. Ketiga, menjimatkan pembinaan syarikat dan mewujudkan suasana kerja yang produktif dan produktif. Concept of management. Pertama, good maintenance requirement. Second, need to be maintained and maintained according to the determination and the prescribed narrator. Yang mana matlamat pengurusan perniagaan memastikan peralatan atau mesin sentiasa berada dalam keadaan produktif. Pertama ialah keperluan perniagaan yang baik. Kedua, memastikan semua komponen dan peralatan berfungsi. Ketiga, perlu dijaga dan disenggeraan mengikut penentuan dan piawai yang ditetapkan. Kerja perniagaan menyebabkan penyelesaian pelbagai sumber yang berkaitan dan perlu diteruskan secara sistematik dan berkesan. Kejayaan atau kegagalan perniagaan bergantung kepada keberkasihan pengurus. Maintenance preparation. Pertama ialah maintenance work should be done for each set. Second, aim to identify workloads over time or temporary assistance is required. Third, also serve as the basis for preparing work instruction according to schedule and maintenance budget. Yang mana kerja-kerja penyageraan hendaklah dilakukan bagi setiap set. Kedua, bertujuan untuk mengenal pasti bebanan kerja iaitu kerja lebih masa atau bantuan sementara diperlukan. Yang mana ketiga juga berfungsi sebagai asas bagi menyediakan arahan kerja mengikut jadual dan bajet penyelenggaraan. Iaitu contoh ialah perintah kerja work order. Perintah kerja adalah maklumat seperti tentang apa, di mana, bila, berapa lama dan oleh siapa penjagaan akan jalankan. Dan terdapat dua jenis perintah kerja seperti pesanan kerja disediakan daripada data inventory, ciri-ciri fizikal dan penyata tugas. Sebagai contoh, satu arahan kerja boleh mengandungi tugas-tugas penyelenggaraan semingguan untuk mesin atau peralatan. Kedua, perintah kerja yang boleh mengandungi tugas yang berbeza untuk penyelenggaraan bulanan aset yang sama. Maintenance manual. Maintenance of hand equipment, inspection and repair shall be carried out and hand equipment be foreseen. Yang mana penjagaan peralatan tangan, pemeriksaan dan pembaikan hendaklah dilakukan ke atas peralatan tangan sebelum digunakan. Kedua, hujung mata alat hendaklah sentiasa dikisar supaya tajam dan mudah melakukan kerja. Kedua ialah kerja-kerja penjagaan perkakas dan alat tangan dapat dilakukan dengan cara membersih, meminyak, menyimpan. Ketiga, mengenal pasti bahan dan ejen pembersih, minyak tanah, tina, minyak pelincir, sabun. Machine maintenance. Keep the surrounding job safe. Provide at least of step to be taken to run the machine or equipment. Lubrication on the machine must be. Yang mana memastikan pekerjaan sekitar selamat. Kedua, menyediakan senarai langkah-langkah yang perlu dilakukan untuk menjalankan mesin atau peralatan. Ketiga, penciran pada mesin mestilah diperiksa setiap kali sebelum menggunakan. Keempat, periksa alat keselamatan yang sedia ada pada mesin. Dan akhir sekali, semua mesin mestilah dibersihkan setiap kali siap digunakan. Maintenance budget. Annual budget after the cost is calculated for a single work instruction. This process is related for the remaining work instruction to obtain the amount of needed to maintain the asset.